Oh yes, today we've got something interesting. The new Qlife Triker 2.0 folding 3-wheels electric bike. It promises to be one of the safest bikes to ride. And today we're going to explore exactly how it manages stability, power, and comfort, and what it has to offer for everyday riders. From its 3-wheel design to the powerful motor and practical features, we'll break down everything you need to know about this e-bike. So, without any further delay, let's get started. When the Triker 2.0 arrives, the box includes everything you need to get started. Most of the complicated assembly has already been handled at the factory, so you won't be starting completely from scratch. Your main tasks include attaching the handlebars, installing the seat, mounting the baskets, and giving the tires and brakes a careful check to make sure everything is secure. At first glance, the Triker 2.0 immediately feels well-built and substantial. Its 3-wheel design gives it an instant sense of stability, which is especially reassuring for seniors, beginners, or anyone who prefers a more planted, confidence-inspiring ride. The frame looks solid and robust, with reinforced welding and quality materials that indicate it's designed to last. The trike itself weighs about 97 pounds, which gives it a strong, grounded feel on the road. While this weight is noticeable, it's not cumbersome, thanks to the step-through frame and folding mechanism, which make handling, storage, and transport easier than you might expect. Even during setup, the folding feature is intuitive and convenient, showing that the design is not just about strength. It's reliable, user-friendly, and thoughtfully engineered. Every hinge, joint, and component reflects careful attention to detail, giving the impression of a bike that is ready for real-world use immediately. The heart of the Triker 2.0 is its 350-watt motor capable of reaching up to 1,200 watts at peak output. This provides smooth acceleration, reliable hill climbing power, and consistent performance across different terrains. For casual riders, that extra power really makes a difference when starting from a stop, maneuvering through intersections, or climbing gentle inclines. The removable 48-volt, 10.4 ampere-hour lithium battery delivers a real-world range of up to 55 miles depending on terrain, weight, and pedal assist level. Charging takes approximately 4 to 6 hours, making it easy to recharge overnight and have the bike ready for the next day's errands or rides. Whether you're commuting short distances, running errands, or enjoying a weekend ride, this range is more than enough to cover most practical needs without constantly worrying about battery life. The Triker 2.0's 3-wheel configuration is where it truly stands out. The dual rear wheels create a balanced, stable ride that feels secure and planted on any surface. One of the standout features is the rear differential, which allows both wheels to rotate smoothly while turning. This keeps the bike stable and controlled, avoiding the stiff or awkward feeling common in many 3-wheel designs. The 18 by 3.0-inch fat tires add substantial grip and absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, potholes, and light trails, ensuring that your ride remains comfortable and controlled. This setup works perfectly for urban commuting, where you need predictable handling through streets and intersections. It also shines during outdoor cruising on parks or trails, or relaxed neighborhood rides, where stability and control are more important than speed. With a top speed of about 18 miles per hour, the ride remains smooth, steady, and manageable even for those new to e-bikes. The Triker 2.0 is designed with real-world usability in mind. The step-through frame makes mounting and dismounting effortless, especially for seniors or riders with mobility challenges. The wide padded seat with an adjustable backrest provides support on longer rides, reducing fatigue and making the experience far more enjoyable. Storage options are practical and thoughtfully designed. The front basket can hold small items like groceries, a lunchbox, or personal belongings, while the large rear rack is capable of handling heavier cargo, supporting up to 400 pounds. This makes it easy to carry groceries, bags, or weekend adventure gear without worrying about balance. The folding frame adds even more convenience. It allows the trike to be stored in tight spaces like garage corners, or even transported in a car trunk. Combined with the practical layout and thoughtful ergonomics, the Triker 2.0 proves itself as a bike that works for daily commuting, shopping trips, casual rides, and leisurely outings alike. Like any product, the Triker 2.0 has its highlights and a few limitations. Its stability is its biggest strength. The three-wheel design makes it secure, beginner-friendly, and exceptionally comfortable for seniors. For older riders who find long walks tiring, this trike can be a true blessing, providing freedom to head to the park, shop for groceries, or meet neighbors without worrying about balance or strain. Comfort is also a major highlight. The wide, cushioned seat and adjustable backrest make longer rides enjoyable and fatigue-free. The 400-pound payload capacity ensures practical usability for daily errands or carrying supplies. The folding frame enhances storage and portability, making it simple to keep the bike tucked away when not in use. On the downside, the Triker 2.0 is heavier than a typical two-wheel e-bike due to its three-wheel configuration, weighing in at around 97 pounds. Lifting it frequently could be a challenge for some. Additionally, the single-speed drivetrain focuses on relaxed, stable riding rather than performance or speed. So what's the final takeaway on the Qlife Triker 2.0 folding three-wheels electric bike? Simply put, it's a game changer for anyone who values comfort, stability, and ease of use over raw speed. The three-wheel design, wide cushioned seat, and adjustable backrest make every ride feel secure and enjoyable. Whether you're running errands, heading to the market, or taking a leisurely spin around your neighborhood, if you're looking for a bike that combines safety, convenience, and fun, the Triker 2.0 hits all the right notes. It's reliable, thoughtfully designed, and perfect for anyone wanting a stress-free riding experience. Honestly, once you try it, you'll see why it's worth considering for yourself or as a thoughtful gift for loved ones who deserve a safe and comfortable ride. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you liked about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content like this.